Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to customize the store, how to customize the website and create a website on Squarespace for books and literature business, easy and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know much about coding. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, let's see templates. So here you can choose your templates. You can create your own templates, and also here you can choose the type. So wait a few seconds. So you can choose here the type, the online store. You can make it like a membership, like a one page, or like courses, services. So that's it. Now you can choose one of these templates here, or if you wanna build your own template. So let's get started. So let's go. Here you can add your store name, type any name you want, and let's continue. Here you can build your home page. So here you can choose the intro section. For example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose the product section. Also you can choose the services section, and here you can choose the about section. You can choose this social section, and the forms section, and the last is the footer section. So that's it. Now let's continue. Add page to your site. Here you can choose the color, the theme color. For example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose the font pattern, so I'm gonna choose this, and let's finish. So here you can personalize your homepage text faster than ever. You can skip this, or if you wanna continue, so let's continue. Let's see what happens. So here you can describe more your new site. For example, books and literature uh, business. So that's it. Now let's continue. Choose the writing style. I'm gonna make it professional. So let's move on. So here you can change the size, the view. You can make it like a desktop view or like a mobile view, so whatever you want. So I'm gonna just make it like this, like a desktop view. Here's the site size. You can start with it. Here you can edit the fonts. So you can edit the you can switch the fonts back. Here you can edit the headings. You can edit the paragraphs and the buttons. You can reset the fonts back. So that's it. Now let's move on to the colors. So here you can change the colors. You can edit the palette. You can customize your themes. For example, you can let's see this. So here you can change the theme of your the color theme of your site title and the navigation links. You can change the color of the section background, the background overlay, the inset border, and the section driver stroke. Also you can change here the themes colors of this, the hidden, the extra large, the large, the medium, the small, the paragraphs, and the text highlights, so whatever you want to change. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on now to the animations. So here you can change any one of these. You can change the speed and also the spacing. You can change the spacing here. So that's it. Now let's close this. If you wanna edit your homepage store or your homepage website, so here first we have the site header. You can edit it. You can change the site title and the logo. You can change the site title if you want to add your logo from your library, so it might be related to the business. For example, some logo for of the book and books and literature business. And also you can add your mobile logo image. So that's it. Here you can turn this on, fixed position. And let's move on now to the next. So let's move to the elements. So here you can turn this on. You can turn the button. You can change this, the label on it, the text on the label to get started. Also you can edit the social links. You can edit the border. You can change it. You can switch language. And also you can edit the card. You can turn this on. You can change the style icon. You can edit the social icon size, and also here you can turn this on, show zero in cart. So I'm gonna turn this off. So let's get back. Now you can edit the style, so you can edit it here, the logo. So that's it. You can edit the fixed header style. So that's it. Now if you want to add section, just click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. For example, I'm gonna add the quotes section. So for example, I'm gonna add this. Now I'm gonna move it down and down and down. So that's it. Now if you wanna save some section, just click here and it will be saved. If you wanna move it down or move it up, here you can duplicate this section. You can remove it from here. Just click here and it will be deleted. So if you wanna edit this section, you can edit it from here. You can turn this on, the first screen, the height, the alignments, and the divider, the background. Also you can edit the background of it here. So for example, let's see this. You can edit the colors. So you can add the image here, any image you want for the bookings. So that's it. Here you can edit the text. You can edit here the button label, the color. If you want to duplicate the label, you can click here. You can delete it from here. So if you want to edit the text on it, click here and you can change the text. So that's it. If you want to add any image on any section, just go to any section and click here, add block, and you can add image. So for example, you can click here and you can select it from your library or from free image from here. So for example, book, books and literature. So for example, so for example, I'm gonna choose this. can choose wherever you want. So you can drag it and move it and put it at any place you want. Whenever you want to add any image or any text, just click add block. Just click here and you can add the text or image or video or button or whatever you want to add. So that's it. So after you're done from designing your website and add your image and customize your website and add your first product, that's it. After this you can publish it and you can save this and publish it and launch your online store and start selling. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your store on Squarespace for books and literature business. Easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.